I'll show you how to use Scopus to find effective author keywords. We start by going to the University of Leeds Library homepage to search for the Scopus subscription citation database. We type in Scopus into the search box and we search for it. Click on the link that says Go to Scopus. And we arrive at the Scopus homepage. We search for our topic of interest in title, abstract, and keyword. I'm interested in smart technology, so I type it into the search box. I click on search. I can see there's over 3,700 documents in my results list. I can scroll down and look on the left-hand bar, and I can see the keywords being used to describe this topic area. It's listed in hierarchical order, with the most commonly used to the less commonly used. I can click on View All to see a fuller list. I can go back to my homepage by clicking on Search. Another way of finding author keywords that may be relevant to your article is to search for a key article in your area and see what author keywords are being used by that author to describe that document. You do this by searching within title. Search for article title, and then I put in the name of the article that's one of my key articles and click on search. I can see that this article is in the citation database. I click on a link to it. If I scroll down past the title and abstract, I can see the author keywords that are being used to describe this article. These may be of interest to me when I'm thinking of author keywords for my article. I can do further interrogation by clicking on the SciVal topic link. SciVal topics affiliates this article to a particular topic. I click on this. I can see the topic name highlighted in blue. If I click on this topic name and scroll down past a representative list of documents and top authors on this topic, I get to key phrase analysis. This allows me to do more detailed analysis of key phrases that are most popular in this area and those that are growing and declining in popularity. If I click on this drop-down arrow, I can also see these key phrases analysed in a table.